Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've filmed this colourful cat tutorial ready for Halloween. It's quite easy and it only took me about 40 minutes probably to finish the whole look. So I hope you like this look, guys. So I'm starting off by priming my skin with the L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer, and I'm just going to rub that all over my forehead and the rest of my face. And then I'm going to start applying my foundation, which is the L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Matte in 10. So now I'm just going to conceal under my eyes with a collection concealer. I can't quite remember the name of it, and it's rubbed off the bottle, which is really handy. But I'm just going to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and the tip of my nose, and Cupid's bow, and my chin. And this is going to brighten up these areas. And then I'm going to just buff it all in with the Real Techniques sponge, which is damp. Now I'm just going to set all of that with the Maybelline Matte Maker in 10 Classic Ivory, I think. I'm just going to set it under my eyes, and then I'm going to apply this to the rest of my face with a stippling brush by Real Techniques. So now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to apply a black matte eyeshadow all over my lid, and I'm just going to make this really dark so it intensifies my eyes, ready to give that cat eye look. So now I'm just applying the shade Urban from the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm just going to apply this to my crease and just slightly up to make my eyes look even larger than they actually are. So now I'm just going to blend all of that out with a fluffy brush just to soften the edges. So with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the black and purple together. So now I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with S4 from the Smashbox Full Exposure palette. I'm just going to apply some eyeliner, which is the Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner, and I'm going to really wing it out quite a lot, and then take it right into the inner corner as well, so that it's looking nice and long, and it elongates my eyes even more than they actually are. So now moving on to eyebrows, so I'm going to take a brush and just brush all of my hairs upwards, because that is the way that my eyebrows are going to eventually look. So I'm going to take a very small brush by Real Techniques and a matte black shade, and I'm just going to almost create almost like triangles. And that sounds really strange, they're like really long triangles, and I'm just going to then fill it all in so they look like cat's eyebrows. So now I'm just going to conceal the rest of my eyebrow with the Collection concealer that I used earlier, and what I'm going to do is just kind of smudge it all in with my finger, but I forgot to film that, so there you go, but that's what I did. And now I'm going to apply a white Kohl pencil by Barry M into my lower waterline and my lower lash line, and then I'm going to extend that up to the wing so that it opens my eyes up even more. So now I'm just taking a matte black shade again, and I'm just going to go underneath where I put that white Kohl pencil, just to make them look larger, so that my eyes look really big, and it just kind of accents them that little bit more. Now moving on to my cat nose, I'm going to use that same shade I used on my eyes, which is the Urban shade from the Electric palette, and I'm just going to kind of create like a cat nose. I'm just going to create an outline with that same eyeliner I used for my eyes. So I'm just going to use that eyeliner to create like little triangles in my nose as if it was an actual cat's nose, so that it like makes my nostrils look larger than they are. And now I'm just going to draw my cat mouth. So here I'm just drawing like little freckly things, like kind of freckly things like what cats have, like where the whiskers come out from, if you get what I mean. And then I'm going to draw the whiskers on afterwards. So here I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. So you could just finish the look there, but I'm going to take it that little bit further and apply some shading to the top of my head. So I'm going to take that same Urban shade from the Electric palette, and I'm just going to put it all towards the top of my forehead and then blend it downwards. So I hope you like this look, guys. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything I'm posting. Until next time.